Excite a tuning fork of frequency 512 Hz and hold it close to the mouth of a resonance column. Slowly raise the inner tube. Now the loudness is also increasing. Find out the situation in which the loudness is maximum. When the natural frequency of tuning fork and air column is equal, they are said to be in resonance. Now the loudness increases due to the increase in amplitude. What happens if the inner tube is raised again? Now the loudness decreases. This is because while the inner tube raises, the length of air column changed, thus tuning fork and air column does not come under resonance. Repeat the experiment using tuning fork of different frequencies. By this, we can understand that the tuning fork and air column comes under resonance in different instances.